Tan Agom. Welcome to my vlog, a day at Permai Rainforest Resort. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see here, this is the entrance to the Permai Rainforest Resort. Before you guys are allowed to enter Permai Resort, you guys have to pay the fee first. So let's take a look the fee. It's quite cheap, right? Permai Rainforest Resort was officially opened by Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad on 22nd May 1991. So guys, don't waste our time. Let me bring you guys to take a look around the Permai Rainforest Resort. Come and join me. So here we are at the beach. It's a beautiful scenery, right? Wow, the wind is so refreshing. I love this kind of vibe. It's so really cool. Yeah. There were lots of activities that we can enjoy here with our family, like picnic, surfing, kayaking, volleyball, and don't forget this, to take a lot of picture. Take a moment with your family here. Basically, Permai Rainforest Resort are located near to Santubong Mount. Wow, take a look at that huge mountain. That is Santubong Mount. If you guys also plan to stay here, they also provide a lot of cabin here, which is around 300 plus per night. Not only you can enjoy at the beach, you guys also can do hiking here, starting from 7 AM until 2 PM every day. Let's go guys to the second beach. So here guys, this is the second beach. Take a look, there are a lot of stone here. The stone is really good for us to take a picture for the candid. It's good posing here. So really nice. Now this is the end of my journey here at Permai Rainforest Resort. I really do recommend all of you guys to come here, as you guys can enjoy lots of activities here with the family here. So don't forget to come here guys. Thank you.